Dali, tabang dire.
To remind me.
There's no way.
Yeah, go on.
You should not be on the road going.
Russ is going so slow because look at these pedicabs. Like,
It makes it impossible to
And then
pass
because
because
you can't pass anyway because there's traffic.
There's a lot of agani gasigaw.
It's okay, babe. We're not in a rush.
We're sightseeing.
I get paid by the hour. The taxi meter is running. Come on.
Yeah,
That's why we were
sa taxi kay kanunay mo lang yeah.
when we were in New Zealand. There's like a taxi everywhere.
So
From Auckland Airport to from where we stayed, it's like almost 100 New Zealand dollars.
They're telling me this must be the summer.
Okay, it's gonna be even harder. And then there's another pedicab over there.
I can't.
Yeah, just stay over because you can't. This is we're already in the city. Oh wait.
I quit. I see 3C meat. Thank you, Green Hat Man.
That way it doesn't go bad. There's some meat here. There's more. Oh, there's butter right here, Mom.
You need butter?
Yeah. We have meat, Mom. Oh, maybe they have toaster. Do they have toaster?
Toaster oven right there. That would work.
Yeah. Oh, and you know we also have tortilla stuff. Do we need? You got your flavored oatmeal?
That's all I got what I found. They don't have packets. Just,
Yeah, we'll just grab some of it. It's a lot of people. Okay, video first. Okay, doggy, run away. just had chicken joy. You had
Hindi na yung mama siya laman.
sagong sa may
Siya po kanina magkatong para kumain kung sige ma'am.
That's a bulldozer. Kisama na. Na jungle naman yung haan eh. Isa na may gakuan ana. It's all jungle naman yung haan. Ah, there's papayas over there too. Look. It's rainy.